Hey everybody, here we have a few Lennox HS18 units. This is a bigger one. Here's the data, HS18, 4-ton or so, 1990. And here's another one. This one is a little bit smaller, 1990 as well. Over here is another one, and then around the corner is the Tech 2000. This one's much smaller. There's the data. Has been running. It actually was running when I pulled up and it just shut off. It looks like it has a Copeland recip. Alright, here we have a few more. Got an Amana Distinctions with a Copeland. This one seems to be running good, and we have an old Tech 2000. Looks like a late 80s model. Next to a Carrier Comfort. The data's back there. I can try to see if I can get a year off of it. It looks like a 1992 4-ton. This one has an LG. I don't know what kind of compressor this has. It has a suction accumulator. That's all I can see. This one seems to be running pretty good. Getting out some heat. There's a Tech 2000 logo. I think this is a 38 PG. Can't really see it from over there, but yeah. I guess that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.